Hello students, today we are going to start part 3 of chapter 2, Python Programming Fundamentals. So, the first topic is shorthand assignment operators. A shorthand assignment operator is a combination of binary operation and assignment. Binary operation means any operation which is performed on the two operands. We have an example here. A equals to 6. We have a variable a whose value is 6. Now a is equal to a plus 5. Now in the second statement, what is going to be done is 5 is added to the value of a, that is the value of a is 6. So 6 plus 5 becomes 11. Then it says print a. So the output will be 11. This statement which is written here, a is equal to a plus 5, can also be written as like this, a plus is equal to 5. So this is known as the shorthand notation or the shorthand assignment operator. The meaning of this one and this one both are same. Let us take another example. A equals to 5, b is equal to 2 multiplied by a. The value of a is 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 becomes 10. Value of b is 10. Now in the next statement we have the shorthand notation or the shorthand assignment operator. A plus equals to a plus b. What is the meaning of this? That a equals to this a plus b. So this expression is a plus b. The value of a is 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 10 is equal to 20. The output will be 20. This is a way to write in a short form, so it can be used in many examples. Basically the question on this comes based upon the output. Next is precedence of arithmetic operators. When we use the arithmetic operators in one statement, if we use so many arithmetic operators, there are the priorities of using them. First of all, parenthesis, that is the brackets, are solved. Then the exponentiation operator is solved, that is the power of any number. Division, floor division, multiplication and modulus. They have the same precedence if they occur in any expression, and we have to calculate, so whichever operator will come first will be calculated, and after that is the precedence of addition and subtraction. Let us take an example. 12 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 6 divided by 2. So here we have so many operators: plus, multiply, minus, divide. Out of the 4 operators we have to see whose precedence will come first. So first we have to divide. This is division. So 12 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 6 by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3. So here 3 will come. Rest of the operands will come as it is. Next is plus, multiply, minus. So out of plus, multiply and minus, first we will perform multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Then plus and minus. So first is plus, addition. So 12 plus 12 becomes 24, and 24 minus 3 is 21. 21 is the output. Let us see another example. 12 multiply parenthesis 3 modulus 4, floor division 12, or it is also known as integer division, which after dividing the number gives us the integer part, plus 6. Now we have learned that first we have to calculate the parenthesis and then exponentiation. So first we are going to calculate the parenthesis. Now in the parenthesis we have modulus operator. What does the modulus operator give us? It gives us the remainder. So 3 divided by 4, the remainder is 3. Next is 12 multiplied by 3, floor division 2 plus 6. Now we see that multiplication and floor division have the same priority, but at first point multiplication operator is there, so we will solve this. 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. 36 floor division 2 plus 6. So 36 divided by 2, the integer part is 18. Although it will be fully divided, so only integer part will be there. So 18 plus 6. The answer is 24. So this is the way we have to solve the arithmetic expressions if so many operators come in one statement only. Next is multiple assignments. Multiple assignments, as we have learned before, that if we are given two variables and they are assigned the value, so the first value will go to the first variable and the second value will go to the second variable. Let us see an example. X comma y equals to 2 comma 6. What does it mean? That the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 6. Next statement. X comma y equals to y comma x plus 2. It means the value of y will go to x and the x plus 2 will go to y. So what was the value of y? 6. 6 will go to x. X equals to y and y equals to x plus 2. So x becomes 6 and y becomes x plus 2. What was the value of x? 2. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Now it says print x comma y. So in the output the value of x will come as 6 and y will come as 4. Comma will not come, it will be separated by a little space. Example number 2. X comma y equals to 20 comma 60. It means x is 20 and y is 60. Now it says y comma x comma y equals to x comma y minus 10 comma x plus 10. What does it mean? That value of y is x, value of x is y minus 10 and value of this y is x plus 10. So y is equal to x. What is the value of x? 20. So the value of y now becomes 20. Earlier it was 60. X equals to y minus 10. Now value of y is 60. So 60 minus 10 is 50 and again y equals to x plus 10. In this case the value of x is 20. So 20 plus 10 becomes 30. So we have y as 20, then the value of x became 50 and then the value of y became 30. So the recent value of any variable which is used two times, that will be given as the output. Here we have the value of first y as 20 and then it is 30. So the latest value will be given in the output. So it says print x comma y. So the output of x is 50 and the output of y is 30. I hope these three topics are clear to you. Now based on this we have some assignment. Find the output generated by the following code. These are the questions related to the shorthand assignment operator. Here we have used the shorthand assignment operator at 2-3 places. So based upon this you have to find out the output. Same is the question 4 based on the shorthand assignment operator. This is question number 5. Evaluate the arithmetic expressions. So in this case we have to find out the value of these arithmetic expressions as we have discussed just now. And question number 6 and question number 7 are based on the multiple assignments. So try to do them and if any query is there you can ask. Thank you.